Alright, this is my first Vox box I received from Influenster. It's Dijon, Paris. So this is my grand opening of this package. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Alright, it looks like it's supposed to come with illuminating shampoo, illuminating conditioner, brass color correcting cream, and an illuminating elixir. Okay. Looks like I've got the color corrector, the illuminating shampoo, and the illuminating conditioner. Actually, looks like I'm missing the elixir from my bag, so that's a bummer, but I'm excited to try these new products. Thank you, Influenster.